Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. How are you all? And from the last 2 days, I am in little busy schedule, so I cannot able to post any videos. And some of my friends are eagerly asking about the aloe vera juice recipe. So today I prepare for that. Aloe vera is one of the good source in vitamin K, and it's help for diabetic patients, high blood pressure, and even for the cancer. Take your aloe vera, clean it well, and take that flesh. Add a half lemon along with that. Put some cumin seed. Keep it whole night, and early morning once you wake up, you have to drink it in the empty stomach. If you do this one weekly twice, your diabetic, the blood sugar level should be in the normal, and your blood pressure also come under the normal, and it is good for your heart also, for healthy heart. So it's very easy. Only lemon, aloe vera, and cumin, only three things. You have to soak it in the water at night, and early morning you have to drink it in the empty stomach. Please try this one and tell me the feedback about this juice. It is really healthy. Everyone can drink this one, so there is no age limit. But if you in this climate, weather is little cold nowadays in the winter season, so if you feel you are not comfortable, please don't drink, because aloe vera is very cold. Maybe it became you for a fever like that. The problem will come. So if you can able to do it, please go ahead. Otherwise, please don't do in this weather condition. Try after March, April. You will get the good result. Thank you so much.